there are indeed lots of potential valuable experiments indoors and outdoors before a potential full-scale climate response test. And even at the physical level, we can think about the necessary engineering questions. Can the machinery and equipment do what we want it to do? Could we get aerosols into the stratosphere? Could we get a mist into the lower atmosphere above oceans that attract water droplets and serve as cloud condensation nuclei? And then there's a wide range of physical and environmental questions around what are the chemical, physical, and biological processes that happen locally around a potential SRM climate intervention. I would go a little further that there's also purposes of research that go beyond the generation of knowledge. And this is a broader social process that points towards how research can lead to collaboration and trust, especially in international settings, and especially as we move into, hopefully, the much needed north-south collaboration in research and scientific research that's conducted solely and centered in developing countries. This is a necessary process to get the type of global awareness that will be necessary for making governance decisions.